Welcome to an easy step-by-step guide on how to allow displaying tagged photos to friends of friends on Facebook Web on PC with the latest update. First, open Facebook in your web browser and sign in if you're not already. You'll see the familiar blue bar across the top and your homepage filled with posts from friends and pages you follow. This is where your journey to control who sees your tagged photos begins. From the top right corner, click on your profile picture. This opens a small menu that centers your personal settings. In this menu, select Settings and Privacy. A submenu appears, and you'll want to click on Settings again to access your account preferences. Think of this as the control room for how your information is shared. On the left side of the screen, locate and click Profile and Tagging. This section houses everything related to how you present your profile and how other people's posts appear on it. It's a gateway to fine-tuning who can see what you've contributed. Now you'll find the crucial option, who can see what others post on your profile. To adjust this, look for the drop-down menu next to it and click to open the choices. Here's where you decide the audience for content that includes your tags. From the list of options, select Friends of Friends. This setting expands your visibility just enough to be approachable without exposing your entire network. It means people who aren't your direct friends, but who are connected through mutual friends, can view photos you're tagged in when others post them. After selecting Friends of Friends, confirm by clicking Done. You've successfully updated your tagging visibility so that tagged photos can be seen by friends of friends. It's a balanced approach that protects privacy while still allowing your connections to engage with your tagged moments. If you like, you can revisit this setting later to tailor further. Facebook often updates its interface, so a quick check now, and then ensures your preferences stay exactly how you want. Thanks for watching.